I went into social media and I came across Intenga Foundation post where they were asking to assist a community that is school-based with a borehole. And since my community has always had an issue for years when it comes to water, I decided to take the leap of faith, and today we are here. So I'm very grateful to Intenga Foundation for giving us this opportunity, and we are hoping that moving forward, we will be able to work with Intenga Foundation pertaining to other problems that we may be facing within the school. So I'm very grateful and very thankful to Intenga Foundation.
Kofanele ukuthi na undaba ezitha silithimba elisebenza naye sikwazi ukuthi sihlale phansi sithi ke sekunento ke lapha ya enhle esikhona engamanzi. Ngibonga nje ngoba ngiyabuthola ukuthi cha bazoke bethu ukuveza nje nangaphandle emphakathini. Kusho ukuthi ke kuyinto lesikhombisayo ukuthi iyasondeza lokhu ukuthi nje kukhona esizokucosha ukhomba ukuthi uNtenga Foundation ufisa sisondele siubheke lo msebenzi ongaka.
Njengoba niubone lobubuthakathaka obenziwe la nje adonswe phansi lamanzi azongena emathankini khona la esikoleni sisinikiwe isithembiso sokuthi cha azohlala isikhathi eside kakhulu maningi kakhulu amanzi okutholakala ukuthi akhona lapha phansi. Lokho kuzokwenza ukuthi lo msebenzi ulekelele isikhathi eside. Sibongele lesi sikole, sibongele nomphakathi oseduze, sibonge kakhulu neNtenga Foundation.
At the Pangani Shopping Centre, we were actually excited to find out some initiatives that have been established to assist underlying communities that actually we jumped on and gave 10 students of the school and said during the December holidays, starting in November, as Salam said, others will be doing Christmas wrapping, others will be promotion, others will be administration work, but we'll make sure that at the end of the period, they can start having a proper and heavy resume thanks to Intenga Foundation and ensure that one student from Kitwa High School has the opportunity to get registered with Year 26.
Sijabule ngalendlela engachazeki ngoba usize besonalo leminyaka namhlanje liphelile. Cishe siyesinye seyikole eziyifew ebeyithenga amanzi. Othola ukuthi fanele ukhiphe 1600 ukuze uthola amanzi. Nawo lawo manzi athatha isikhathi esingaphansi kwenyanga. Fanele uphinde ukhiphe omunye 1600 uthenga amanzi. Esimeni la khona uthola ukuthi imali azikho kahle ezikoleni, ayingenile ezikoleni. Bekuba nzima sicina sisebenzisa ngisho imali zethu ukuthenga lamanzi.
Inhliziyo yami ithokoziswa nje amanzi ngoba bayibithi noma sibona imoto le yamanzi kuthiwa water is life. Yilokho okungithokozise kakhulu namhlanje okwenziwe iNtenga Foundation esikoleni saseMgitshwa. Kithina besake safika la kwathola ukuthi amanzi awekho enganeni kwaze kwafika lapho sathi isikole singavalwa ngoba phela yonke into enziwa ngamanzi. Sijabule ngendlela emangasayo amanzi sezowathola amahle amnandi
La ebesizo handover khona ibhohole officially emphakathini waseDlangubo kanye nesikole sala. Le bhohole njengoba siyivulile iNtenga Foundation izosetshenziswa umphakathi iphinde isetshenziswe abafundi. Kunompompi ola ngaphakathi esikoleni nomunye umpompi ophumela ngaphandle emphakathini ngoba le ndawo ingezinye zeindawo ngesikhathi sivulela ukuthi abantu abasithumelele izicelo eyayihamba phambili ukuthi amanzi abawazi. Indawo engakazi ibe namanzi le and abaphila ngokuthi kufike i-truck lamanzi or kunimvula begcwalisa oJoJo tank or bewakhe emfuleni. Lana nje uthisha omkhulu ushilo ukuthi bebephila ngokukhokhela i-truck ukuthi izobafakela amanzi. Konke ke lokho namhlanje kuphelile njengoba nibona nje emva kwami amanzi aseyasebenza aphasile futhi ayile lab njengoba niwabona nje ngwaphuza konke kuhambe kahle. Into engithokozise kakhulu ukuzwa beyisholo abantu bala esikoleni ukuthi le borehole izolekelela nasey'ngadini. Kube bonke abagijima i-race iNtenga Foundation race ngoba yonke lento esiyenza la kungenxa or kuyimphumela yabantu abasuke begijimile. So siyabonga kakhulu kubo bonke abantu abasupporta iNtenga Foundation nabantu abagijima iNtenga Foundation race. Siphinde ke sibonge nobuholi bendawo kade sino deputy mayor la nenduna ebimele inkosi yala esigodini sakwaBL, abantu be-SGB, ubuholi besikole, ubuholi principal ne-SGB kanye nabazali akade bekhona. But most importantly, ama-stakeholders esinawo mas-organizer i-race engingabala u-KZN Athletics, ngibale no-eThekwini Athletic Club. Siyabonga kakhulu and siyathemba ukuthi abantu bayabona ukuthi mabegijima as much as begijimela ukuyivocavoca promoting i-healthy lifestyle, but okubaluleke kakhulu kunakho konke ukuthi sihambise amanzi ebantwini.